Good morning. Good morning. Look at that right there, folks. Phoenix, Arizona. I'm here to speak to 3,000 people tomorrow on two things. One, how do you truly go pro? How do you really go pro? That's what I'm going to be speaking on in session 1 tomorrow. And session 2 tomorrow, I'm going to be speaking on tactical connection. Once you've made a decision, that means to decide. What's up, Daniel Hodges? That means to decide. Decide. Gosh, this is so hard for so many people. To make a simple decision. John Art, Jim Sherrill, to leave your amateur desires behind. Gosh, this is so hard for so many people, man. And that's what I'm going to be speaking on tomorrow's, man. How do you leave your amateur desires behind and go pro? And then I'm going to be speaking on tactical connection, which is how do you, once you've made the decision to go pro, Clayton, what do you do with it, man? What do you do with it? And Jimmy, it's not just about making better decisions. It's about making a big decision. This is one of the biggest decisions of your life, man. The decision to get up and go get it every day. The decision to recommit to your goals every day. The decision to do what my mama taught me, man, when I was growing up is we dress up, we show up, we grow up, and we deliver, man. That decision, Tom Gavin, has to be backed up every day, man. Not some days, not every now and then, not when you feel like it. It's literally got to be backed up every day with commitment. And so what I'm talking about this morning, what I'm talking about here is a message I want to give to all of you guys. I know because I saw my buddy Tim Grover posted on Instagram that showing up is none of the battle. A lot of people can show up. They can show up physically. They can show up maybe even a little bit mentally, Chris Yarborough, but they can't show up deep with the prey drive I'm talking about every single day, man. If there's anything I'm trying to do for you guys, it is to inspire you and to get you to recommit to your goals every day, man. And be able to see something through to its conclusion with a remarkable boldness. See, when you look at the top 1%, the top 5 habits of the top 1%, and you got to ask yourself if you want to be in that 1% of performers in any industry, resilience, which is the ability to just keep coming, man. Just keep coming. Number 2, intrinsic motivation. It's deep because goals. It's deep inside of a person on why they get to the next level. Number 3, family. They treat everybody like family. Connection to other people, right? Number 4, boldness. But not just any kind of boldness, man. Remarkable boldness. The willingness to ask, right? The willingness to be bold in what they believe, right? So I got connection, okay? Treat everybody like family. Resilience. Intrinsic motivation, which is the prey drive, and remarkable boldness. 5 things the top 1% of performers have. Now, you got to ask yourself, do you want to make 1% money? Do you want to be considered in the top 1%? Okay. Do you want to be below average? Do you want to be kind of average? Do you want to take it all the way? See, this is a decision I can't make for you. This is a decision I've already made in my life. And hopefully by you guys watching me every single morning, you see that I back that decision up with commitment every single day of really being willing to do whatever it takes to get there. As long as it's ethical, as long as it's legal, as long as it's moral. What I do is I wake up every day, man, and I go get it every single day. When I'm tired, when I'm agitated, when I'm irritated, when I'm pissed off, when I don't feel like it can work, I just keep getting up and going and getting it. So to Grover's point, showing up is none of winning. I would add probably showing up over and over and over and over and getting better and better and better. That is ultimately how you win, man. But it's a simple decision backed up by commitment every day. And it's not a commitment if you don't back it up with time, with energy, with money, with resource. You're just kidding yourself, man. You don't back it up with those things, you're just kidding yourself. So my job in your life is to encourage you, Thomas C. Davidson, is to encourage you so you turn around and encourage other people that the remarkable boldness you need, the decision you got to make, man, to go all the way, and the internal confidence you got to have to know that you deserve to be on the biggest stages in the world. You deserve to be making the big money. You deserve to be playing at the highest level. You deserve to get everything you get as a result of the number of people you help. But it ain't going to happen. It ain't going to happen if you listen to your feelings today. It It ain't going to happen if you can't back something up with commitment, time, money, energy, resource. It ain't going to happen if you can talk about it. See, I don't live in the land of talking. I live in the land of doing. See, one concept of remarkable boldness, top 1%, remember, action takers, bold, courageous, decisive, investments. They move, man. They move. Okay? So, Tommy, you need to get your team to the lodge for the May 16th event on legacy selling. Let me break that whole thing down from them. So I'm just here to encourage you, man. I'm not here to beat you up. I am a coach. I do get frustrated with people when I hear them talk about going pro, but they don't back it up with action. I do get frustrated with people when they don't move. Daniel Hodges, right? Like we're talking about. I do get frustrated with people when they talk about their potential or one day or someday, man. Look at the top 1%. Look at the moves they make. Look at the actions they take. They're showing you exactly how to do it. They're right. They write about it in their books, Brian Covey. They talk about it on Facebook every day. They tell people in their podcast. Like I'm with Doug Wood here, who got 3,000 people to this event. Doug don't talk about doing it, man. He does it. He rented a church that holds 3,500 people. Like he's an action taker, man. Bold, decisive. Right, Brad? So there's a goal, there's a question here. When you hear me say these words, you got to start asking yourself, how bold are you? How action oriented you? How committed are you? How much stick and staying power do you have? Right? And some of you gonna have it, man. And let's be honest, some of you ain't. You just got to decide. And we know what that word means, to kill something off. So let's have a great day today. Listen, I'm doing 2 boot camps coming up. Fanatical follow-up, it's about persistence. Fanatical follow-up is about one thing, man. Persistence and some skill. And I'm doing Monster Growth, March 15th and 16th. So get your booties in the room with me, man, if you want to get better. Just being in the room with me and the energy we're going to push out and the mindset and the frequency we're operating out, boom, Mary Lee, just being in the room with me is going to move the needle, man. I'm telling you. Okay, Beth Manning will tell you, just being in the room will tell you. So let's go get it today, man. I wanted the best room, the best suite here at this hotel. At the thing. Look at that, Tom. Arizona right there, baby. You don't get any one of these by not working hard. Trust me. So let's have a great day. God bless you guys. Come on, Clayton. Let's do it.